If you ever get into a fight and the other person shows up with a crowd, here's how to handle it. 1. If someone says, "Aren't you scared?" just reply, "I've been used to fighting alone since childhood. This crowd just makes me laugh." 2. Observe carefully who's truly aggressive and who's just pretending in the crowd. Keep your focus on the real threat, not the noise. 3. If someone says, "You're too decent to fight me," say this with calm confidence. Don't mistake my decency for weakness. The day I lose my cool, I won't keep count. I'll deliver justice. And hey, consider subscribing to True North YT like a brother. I'll turn you into the father of Sigma in 30 days.